Morning, everybody. Voyage to the bottom of the Keys or bust. Taking a couple of days off here. It's a horrible, horrible rain out there. It's windy. It's just nasty. We're going to take these couple of days to effect repairs. We got brutalized by those storms, pounded by some pretty good waves out there, seeing some 4-footers at times. Poor little Cindy Mae, you know, just meow, meow. We've been through 2 hurricanes, so that was nothing. Actually, it was pretty tough, you know, cruising along. The get up on one of those waves and it's kind of in a cross direction. Boy, you can feel the force on that tiller. Sometimes it feels like, you know, the handle just wants to snap. I'm glad that I reinforced it with fiberglass and Kevlar before I left. Also because I got stuck on a sandbar. That was awful in the inlet there. The rudder was totally buried in the sand and had another boat come up and save me, pulled me off of that bar, motorboat. That was scary. But that tiller handle, you know, I have to go back and forth and dig it out of the sand as I'm being pulled sideways by the boat. It was pretty scary. Check it out outside. It's nasty. That rain is just coming sideways. You wouldn't know it from in here in the cabin and in this little cove because it's pretty sheltered from the wind. It's probably blowing 15 to 25 miles an hour out there right now. So I'm going to be in here probably for another day. Hopefully we'll see some fairer weather on Tuesday. You can see I was fishing there yesterday and last night. Got everything's all covered up. This sailcloth there, staying dry. Little generators down there and battery packs and some gas tanks. Live well in the back and my water snake electric trolling motor. It's a Venom 55 or 54 pound thrust. Long shaft. Woo. This is day 2 in this little cove at Vero Beach. It's a nice little cove to weather out these storms. Wind is just howling out there. It's been steady raining all night long. You wouldn't know it in here because we're sheltered from the wind. This pelican's been working that point. Must be a lot of bait there. They keep coming back to it. At any rate, I spent the whole day yesterday trying to iron out the outboard problems that I'd encountered. Making a few repairs on the boat. We took a real beating out there. We encountered it sometimes. There were 4-foot waves and really nowhere to go, you know, other than to our destination. It's just driving rain out here. Nice little anchorage though, well sheltered from the wind. Old Petey Pelican, he's been hanging out here for the last couple days. Must be good eats here. There it is, my little generator. Using it right now to charge the battery for my trolling motor and chart plotter. That little generator's loud, but it'll power my air conditioner, my electric oven and stove, a blow dryer, coffee maker, much more. Must have. So that's about it. You know, we're going to make some repairs. hopefully can get underway by Tuesday. Thanks for watching, everybody. Remember to subscribe, share it on your Facebook, your social media, anywhere you can. Email it to a friend. It really helps the algorithm for YouTube. I'm just not getting a whole lot of views. Still under their shadow ban. Come on, people, help me break the shadow ban. Tight lines, everybody.
Look, it's that new dog. Hey, come here. You want a sniff?
What do you mean that's a dumbass video? I don't see your ass up and doing any tricks. Hey, I'm just clapping because it's over.
Keep watching, everybody. Voyage to the bottom of the keys or bust.